I'm doing this as a YouTube short on the poulan chainsaw, and I think I found, maybe I found why this saw wouldn't start. If you guys look here, that is not supposed to look like that. That gap is completely closed up. That's why this saw would not start. And this is a Torch R7 spark plug. Yeah, I'll show you what a one that is gap correctly looks like. Now here's a Champion RCJ8 spark plug. You can see that's what it's supposed to look like right there. Gapped at 30 inches. That's the way it's supposed to be. Now I don't have my spark plug gapping tool out here, so that's what it looks like there. So you guys see right there, that spark is not strong enough to start this saw. Okay, now here's the other spark plug. Oh, forgot to turn the switch on. That's what a strong spark plug looks like. Now I'm going to put this in, do it off camera, and see if I get this thing to start.